Hi everyone. In this last 12th session, I am going to show complete the execution of the project what we did so far. This is the not the end of the project. If you want, you can able to extend this project up to any level. There is no end for anything. Okay. The reason why I have taken only up to here is because it can able to cover all the concepts what we have seen up to now. Like we have used various kind of languages, various technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, MySQL, PHP, and Google Earth also we have seen. Okay, all these things I am going to combine and implement a project. That project execution I am going to show right now. Okay, I will simply give the brief overview about what we did in the project. This project basically aims at to provide or to avail all the images which are uploaded by the admin to everybody. Everybody means that can be a student or it can be a faculty or it can be an admin also. Okay, if a student wants to log in into the system, he has to compulsory register for only for the purpose of viewing the images and downloading the images. And either a student or a faculty or admin can able to log in for only one time at particular instant of time, because this feature is implemented in such a way that the system allows for only accessing of the corresponding website for only one time by the corresponding user, whereas faculty can able to register, can log in for only one time, can download the images, can view the images, can update the student data, can view all the student details. Whereas coming to admin, admin can register, can log in for only one time, can download the images, can view the images, can upload the images, can delete the users, can update the roles of all users. See, the reason why I have taken only for up to here is because it will cover all the concepts, that's it. And the important point is, if a user is trying to register for one more than one time, that should not be allowed. And if at particular point of time, if the user is asking for to remember me option while logging, your website should be able to remember those details also. Okay, fine. So this is the first session video what you have seen already, and in the second session we have gone through some implementation, and in the session 3 we have gone through some implementation of cookies, session variables, and destroying all sessions with help of mlogout.php page. And in the fourth session we have gone through implementation of various kind of pages, ms page.php, I mean student page, admin page, and faculty page, along with index pages. And in the fifth session, I have gone through some kind of various kind of improved versions or improved modifications to the all what we did up to fourth session, like SEO optimization and the logo, how to add the logo, how to add the title, and I have updated all kind of things like update page names with how to generate the validation, JavaScript validation, all these things we have seen in the fifth session. And in sixth session we have seen like how to create OAuth credentials, and in the seventh session we have implemented Google OAuth module example. And in the eighth session we have gone through implementation of index page, in that it contains a division, where in this division if you are trying to enter some location like Nojibit, if I click on get button, it is going to produce uh, whether is weather is cloudy or sunny or mild like that, and what is the temperature right now, and the corresponding image, cloud image, it is going to produce. And also we have included the Google sign in button. Once the user is trying to click on Google sign in button, it will ask for the confirmation from the consent screen. If it is successful, it will be related to mlhome.php. This is what we have seen in the session 8. And in the session 9, whenever user trying to log in, and based upon the type of user login, that will be related to a student page or faculty page or admin page. And also we have included the gallery page into all the things, because gallery page is common for all people, that's why gallery page included. And also we implemented two more features here. Once the user clicks on delete button, that user will be deleted. Once the user clicks on update role button, the user role will be updated. This is what we have seen in the session 9. And in the session 10 we have gone through implementation of faculty page, where faculty can able to view all the details of the students. And in addition to that, on the corresponding row, if the faculty clicks update button, that will be rated to update page. And in the 11th session we have implemented we are going to add the website name, which is meant for the purpose of look and feel, and making styling to the front page of the weather, and making style to the admin page weather elements, and avoid the usage of mgallery.php direct accessing. Okay, and that's it. And this is the basic overview of your entire project, what we did up to now. So the thing is, uh, these are features what I did for the purpose of to cover all the concepts. There is no end of the project, there is no end for anything. If you want to implement your project at any level, you can able to implement it. So if you are trying to implement it, I will be very happy to accept that also. Now what I would like to do is, I would like to make it so the execution of the website what we implemented now. So here this is the index page. Once the user trying to access our website, this index page will be viewed, where user can able to enter some village name. Like for example, if he is trying to enter Nojivi, click on submit button, the corresponding information will be displayed for you, whether is overcast clouds and temperature 27 degrees, like that. Okay, if trying to enter some Hyderabad, click submit button. I think it needs to be refreshed. Let me take Kurnool or else. So maybe there will be the same kind of cloud. Observe in Kurnool, it is now 28 degrees centigrade. If you take something like Rajahmundry, click submit. Yes, it is 27 degrees centigrade. By all getting only the same kind of results. If you click Kadapa, yes, now the time is almost 11:10. So maybe that is the reason temperature is very less. Okay, fine. This is the way you can able to get this information. Now, if the user is trying to access our website, he has to compulsory register by clicking on the register button. Register. I am trying to enter N180535, name as G Jayakrishna, password as N180535, mail ID as N180535@gmail.com, mobile number as 9876, so on, so which should be compulsory 10-digit number. Click on sign up. Registration is success. Once registered successfully, he can able to login. So N180535, N180535. By default, every login user is a kind of a student. That's why they are going to only view the gallery of images, and if they want, they can able to download the images. That's it. And he can able to log out this. Okay, fine. So I'm trying to log in with one more user ID, N180555. Assume that N180555, N180555, N180555 @gmail.com. Phone number is something like this. Is it 10 digits? No. Yes, now it is 10 digits. If I click sign up, that will be registered successfully. If I click login, N180555, N180555, click login. Yes. Okay, fine. So by default, there is a kind of a student. So I will click on logout. Now the thing is, user can able to register, user can able to login. But the thing is, if the user is not interested to register and sign in through normal way, if he is are interested to go for Google sign in option, then I will just click on Google sign in. That will relate it to authentication screen, where I will try to enter, select this one, jk.java@gmail.com. If I select this, automatically it will be validated and it will be rated to the corresponding page. Like this also you can able to get perform Google Auth screens. Okay, if I go for this and I will try to access once again Google sign in, like for example if I try to go for this one, yes, this is the way you can able to get uh, the usage of Google Auth consent screen. Click on logout. Okay, now the thing is, I will try to access the PHP admin page because I need to create certain users. I'll go for RGKT. In that I'll go for S permissions. For example, I would like to make N18055 as faculty and N18055 as 535 as admin. Okay, fine. Now, if the student logins as assume gjk.java, password is by default the password is gjk.java. If I click login, the thing is there are certain kind of validations. So what you can do is I will try to log in it with the user ID who is having starts with N18055. So that's the reason what I said is I need to cover all the concepts. That's the reason I have taken only for up to here. So what I will do is I will try to register with one more user ID N180536, 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 N180536 at the rate gmail.com, and password is something like this. Okay, click sign up. Now it is a normal student. I will click for login N180536, N180536. Click login. Only gallery of images will be displayed because that is a feature of a student. If a faculty is trying to log in N180555, N180555, click login. So he is a faculty, so that's the reason it is getting as welcome to so and so, and all the list of users who are there in the database and the gallery of images with logout option. Now if somebody is trying to update the data, then I'll go for just clicking on update button. That will be rated to this one. Now I would like to modify this mail ID as something like jaya@gmail.com, and there is no phone number. I will try to enter the phone number. Like this. If I click update, that will be updated and will be rated to this one. See, observe, it has updated. This is the way faculty can able to update all the details. And I will just simply log out. Now what I will do is I will try to log in with the admin page N180535, N180535. Click login. Now admin can able to upload the images, admin can able to delete the student, admin can able to update the roles. Choose the file. So for example, let me try to update some banner12.jpg. Click submit. That will be updated. Click download it. For example, I would like to choose one more image. Let me take thank you image and click submit. That will be uploaded here. Okay. For example, if you want to delete the data, for example, if you want to delete the data of some student right now what I registered, like for example, I am trying to delete the student who are not available in the database, who are not registered, 537. If I click delete, it will show that student doesn't exist to delete. If I am going to enter N180536, if I click delete, student deleted successfully. Similarly, if I would like to update the roles of a particular student, like for example, there is a faculty N180555 faculty. I would like to update the role as admin. Update the role as admin. Updated role successfully. If I check this, role is successfully updated. So this is the complete project what we did here. Okay. Finally, I can able to log out. That's it. So you can able to view various kind of modifications. All those things you can able to do on your own. Okay. Thank you.